So this video, we're gonna go into floors. We already have one about the shoe molding taping. We have one about paper gun prepping. So we did both already in this area. We taped our shoe molding and we laid our paper gun paper, and now we're gonna do our rosin paper, which is what we use to cover the bulk of our floors. It's very good to protect against paint and just tools, walking, general work debris. So once you have your edges all masked off, we'll go under this doorway to make sure we'll run plastic behind there, but still any paint that might travel under there will catch on our paper. So we have a roll of rosin paper. This is pretty straightforward. What you'll do is you'll have your roll laid out. We use the white Scotch tape to do paper against paper. It's a stronger hold, but it is a less expensive product. So with your edges prepped off and your rosin paper roll in place, you'll start by tacking your first two edges. So from here, you'll ensure that your roll of paper is straight, running parallel with your wall sections to make sure you're not running in any kind of crooked direction. So it's as easy as rolling it out. So once you're rolled out, you'll take your razor blade, you'll cut along whatever edge you need. From there, you'll tack your remaining two edges, or corners. And then we will run our Scotch in a tight line around all of the edges to completely seal the floor off from our spray area. So I'll show you what that looks like finished. So here we are, our section of floor is all complete. We're fully masked off. So after you run your Scotch tape along the edge of your rosin paper, you'll come through and make sure all of these lines are pressed down. If air can get through, paint can get through. So what's happening is we're gonna be shooting a paint product at the wall here. So that high pressure air is going to come here and wanna push paint back this way. So we have to make sure that our floor is completely protected from any of that overspray rolling over or under and getting onto our floor that we do not want to paint. So that is the basics of masking off a floor for spray prep.